This big roofing project started all because of squirrels. The homeowner was hearing things in their attic, and when the pest technician was out doing their inspection, they noticed a hole in the roof. Fraser Roofing got involved and realized this homeowner was already fighting a claim. That's when we stepped in to do all the hard work necessary to get this homeowner everything they deserve. After we got this claim approved, we wasted no time in picking out the right materials. In just a few short days, they were at the doorstep, ready for the new build. First thing you'll see going on is your ice and water. This membrane adds extra protection against water in vulnerable areas like your hips and penetration. Here I'm holding a piece of synthetic underlayment. This provides an extra layer of protection when dealing with water. Trim coil is used to flash areas that may not fit with traditional step flashing. Cap nails provide a reinforced bond between the synthetic underlayment and the decking. You may notice that other companies use staples, which don't provide the same bond and will break down over time. Here we have a CertainTeed starter strip, which is used to reinforce the edges of the roof and protect against extra wind damage. Here we have a CertainTeed Landmark Pro charcoal black shingle, which provides the customer with 50 years of protection. The color, charcoal black, was also approved by the homeowner's HOA. Here we have a modern ventilation system called the Ridge Vent. Once installed, it will provide excellent ventilation for your attic space and prolong the life of your shingles. Here we have drip edge. Normally we use aluminum, but on this house we made sure to order steel so that the home would stay squirrel free. And to wrap it all up, we make sure that all of your accessories are tended to. So we're making sure that the colors match with the right paint. We're making sure that all your penetrations like pipe boots are replaced with correct flanges that are not dry rotted. And then we use polyurethane to seal any gaps.